kodwa ePalace kumnandi fethu ispace isiningi you know and December ukhangela ukuthi ke begcwele njani and plus futhi kuyabhadaliswa futhi ukungena
Yabhadaliswa ePalace
but ngendlela ephakathi ke begcwele kakhona
kubhadaliswa mali kubhadalelwa
I think ama $5 to $10
hayi
live
hayi
ngiyafuna ugokumancube
ePalace
yes
hayi
ngiyakutshela abantu bakunika lama bucket lawana ensimbi lawana mawungena for ama beers phakathi
ePalace mina ngazwa kuthiwa kule slag so ungabhadalela uyadlala islag guys come on
ayijika ina steering bafethu udriver ke iyazivayela now yazi uKB Casanova the locust leli bombe lecela abantwana makuvela yina kuhlanya bamnyama nama yellow bone bethi hi so delicious angihambe ngedwa
yeah hamba nami mdala mina ngeke ngifake introduction haya le istimela mdala istimela siyadonsa
phela bemele bebeyazi ukuthi bakhuluma ngobani
istimela siyadonsa but otherwise guys this is talent there's nothing much I can say but anyways sesla this and that
talent akala talent lokuthi akhuluma ukuthi ngobani otherwise kodwa ku this and that
yikho la lokho ma gents
khona lokho la khona lo
ngaphi
stop ngisho phela
stop
podcast echazayo so nduna yama kunje
yeah
akunjeli yini into nje ke namhlanje esingayike sithi fahla nabalaleli bethu la
yazi into izolo ngeke ngathi shwe eBawa bekuyi Tuesday kusima girlfriend abantu athathwayo mntana ngizama girlfriend
December boys ukuthi
December yeah guys I don't know if you guys are in serious relationships phela siyacela make sure ukuthi are serious because
okay ngicobuza mina something mawuku serious relationship yipi serious relationship because mina believe mina personally umuntu oseku serious relationship ngumuntu osothethwa afaka endlini
mina ngithe uthi mawu serious relationship mawu serious because even ungakuthethwe mdala waqhokiswa indandatho but the streets are bad
my babo
the streets are bad
kodwa kenzakalani ki December boss iyozwakalayo ndoda
so the streets are bad bona une cherry
mina
onomfazi woro ngithi ukuthi
wena yabona mina ngathina ngiyathanda ukukhipha ezami izinto personally but mina ngeke ngichange mfihlo mphena mina la umama mfowethu Quinty baba grandest
siyambongela umama lapha siyambongela
wena ke ulaya
that's a topic for another day
it's a topic for another day so ndina mawunjele iphi ingoma ke ezaskidisa December sesikhangela ke singakayi kachana
lo nyaka sidla imali yesigweja sidla imali yesigweja angazi every corner imali yesigweja
awukhuluma ngoba usikhosana yini uthi uyayidlela egwamba ke hayi babo angishongo lutho but that response yini ndoda afuna ukuyidlela egwamba
angishongo lutho
ndodabuke zinjalo
mina into engiyaziyo ukuthi imali yesigweja imnandi
no sewuthini
imali yesigweja imnandi
sorry baba sikhosana Black Diva kuthiwa isigweja yisesithatha imali yesigweja ayipheli lina ke egwamba seyenza
isigweja ayipheli ndoda imali yezitina ayiphela
hayi khona kumnandi
yabona ugweja abayenzani bagcwele itown yonke mshomda amafutshe lamango ugweja abagcwele itown yonke
even though yandiba bagqoka phela ama jean ama Nike kodwa yabiphumile phela imali yesigweja kodwa angilanda but mina what into engayishwa kodwa abafana bakubulawa bazamile kathesi
but one thing I can tell you sungathi abafana besigweja bagqoka ama Nike but ugweja sebe le style ugweja seba upgrade ugweja ungakuvuma ukuyale but ugweja seba upgrade
hayi
ugweja sebekwazi ukunatha ama VOSP eBawa yakwazi khonoko Hennessy baba
wanathiswa phela yini ababeli donsile ufuna ukudla imali zabo andine selibatshela ukuthi kumele kunathweni bona ngekuya kwekufunakala i2 Chateu baba
okusemambodleni amancane
tshone khona laphana yini hayi
but
okoja bathengi nje okoja bathengi nje ngani lesinxa sebesegangeni ngale makuchila lampheke ngeke ngefike egangeni ntoni nxa sokufika sokuchile ndona la uyangena egangeni
but mina back to different ogoja sebekwazi ukungena eCotton VIP lounge uthi Hennessy
but kumnandi kuze kube le podcast ekhuluma ngabogweja bogweja lani sesestyleni bafethu selifake emalayithini yabo
mele besibone ugweja la mele besibone bese sabaqamba ngamabizo but hayi
nje ukhona ogweja ngabaqamba ngamabizo
hayi asichane lakho
lakho
asicha but ngiyakutshela mina
but mina mana ngitshela this December ufuna umngane wogweja umngane wogweja khopha koSamribo ukuthi nje abalivumeli ukungena lana ngendlela engaqoqe kakhulu
bangena
koSamribo phela nje amabhawesa lana ayakhetha nje nxa ungaqhokanga engani unjani awuvunyelwa even la kubo red cafe
ama-bouncer kaSamribo ngiyawazi
hayi nxa uqhoke engani unjani
$5 bayakungenisa
uyabusikhipha esincane
yeah. This is our country. You just need to shake hands. This is our country. You just need to shake a lot of hands. The access mdala iyayithola bra.
Nje sonke into lesisebenza yonke indawo.
Qhawula isandla kuphela.
Hayi ngiyakuzwisisa ndona ngiyakuzwisisa but hayi mina vele ngisifonela umngane wogweja this December ukuze lami ngibe ngithipha phela ukuthi kunathwana majinsi no two keys andakwazi lapha yi this and that lokho la lokho sikhuluma noma yini siyadopa mawungafuni ngokwakho but this time ngifuna umngane wogweja ngibona ukuthi
but manje njawazi ima usufuna umngane wogweja sokumele wena ube supply king.
Yes bra. Mina phela bambiza ngo-KP Casanova ubonani ibizo leli ngalithola njani.
Sokumele ube supply king.
Kodwa kudala phela
mama ukulalela but mina ngiyakutshela athi wena ufuna umngane ongugweja.
Yes
right mafuna ogweja bazifunela ama yellow bomb
ndona mina khululeka ndona
but yakwazi mina ngawutshela mina something mina vele if izinto ngana zihamba kahle mina vele ngangifuna uba yipimp
mayibabo what you say so dog
easy money imagine ngilabangani bama bangu-3 ogweja
and vele bebuya begigile lapha ngase phela ukuthi these days nxa even izulu lisina so ngiza kuthiwa igezise kamnandi chuthi these days babuya bebhobhile mntwana
bengu-3 babuya labangani babo sebebangaki 5 6
and then mina yabaphathela nje ama after 8
exactly
yazi abantwana kuthiwa ama after 8 Mntale yazi abantwana kuthiwa ama after 8
ama after ngabanjani mina lapha after 8
okay mana ngitshele ngichazisele ngento le kulabantwana engathi angeke ngithi ngabantwana ababuthekileyo or what kulabantwana even bengamabhedi yangithola kulabantwana abahlala labazali aba strict or even that abale time frame yokungena endlini yabo abantwana vele ukuthi even lawo koSamribo so ungamthola maybe mhla ka25 kumbe mhla ka31 nothi leziyano ohlala uzithola nxa kuthiwa kule ladies night kumbe no pants party kahle ngiyabona no pants party
so ufuphathela ogwejo after 8
yes so after 8 abantwana abangeke phela ogwejo yazi ukuthi ngeke bevume mana ngitshela awugweja mana ngitshela singasaba logweja amajida ngokuya ngokwawo angeke ukuthi unathise umntwana ozafuna ukuyalala endlini ngabonayo
akwenzi
yabo
akwenzi
so umntwana uyahle ethi ushaya 9 compared to 10 so uqalisa ubunandi usefuna ukuya endlini
but guys mina
after 8
just follow me on Instagram ngiyalihuka guys stoko sinengi popile swodile guys swodile omalaisha babele stoko from eGoli guys so you can just follow me, DM me, siyakufakela something or you can just follow this and that page on Instagram on Junza TV guys. We got you covered. Siyakwazi vele bakhona abangakwanisa ukuzikhulumela siyalikhulumela guys yonke into yawe sharp okwakho kuphela wena njani
vele kuJunza Studios sebesibaphathela izinto ezi-straight
yes
sebesibaphathela izinto ezimnandi as long vele belitshona belandela bebukela so yabo begcwala nge-this and that lokhu la lokhu thina siyadopa sifaka khona khula lokhona yabo so thina asila stress and nxa usukhulume ngizokhuluma abo malayisha ntwana mina singathini zinjiva babe kuye khombela ngamakhiya esithi khani mengo lapha
uzayika phela uzayika plus bakulonga ama 3 star kwaba bakufaka esikhwameni lokho abasebe abayasebesika ngakho
Sihamba
amamengo
labo
ethu.
gweja bonjiva kulezi nsuku.
Hayi abawini kare sinjiva azwini ogweja abathweleyo.
Sizingane sihamba lo FG yabe sithi imali yesigweja ayipheli.
Hayi imali yesigweja.
Kodwa mana ngixokubuza. Mbano blind uma 9 lo FG.
Mina umshana kagogo 900. Shout out to 900 guys. Shout out to 900 guys. Shout out to
Aye.
no if
Angus
900 was here ube le show lapha lo Saint Flo. What's this? Former Vista Nexus.
Nexus.
Shout out to 900 guys. That performance was epic, my guy.
900.
900. That performance was epic.
Othi abengikhipheyo,
Then
ngikhipheyo.
mshana kagogo uphuthuma emagwegwe la.
Emagwegwe. Apha umshana kagogo blind. Umshana kagogo blind ngimazi from kudala esashaya hip hop yabo. Ngothi these days phela these days sesifana namagundwane singena lapho kulokudla khona yabo.
Dingushizi.
Usuka kule ujendru ungene kule
manje
awona lo 900 sishaya lezi zabo baba Harare lezi.
Hayi dingushizi but manje ngiyabona ukuthi mawusufuna ukuba igundwane liyishizi ngenkani so nama usithi uFabG usengena la
Okay mawusithi ngamanga yini.
These are not my words but mina
utsho uthe mawusithi usengena la ngamanga yini ukuthi usengena la. Okay asibala.
No, you know what singabali guys please fakani comment section you tell us cause you know ama views
Oqala angisho ukuthi njani amba criticize. Yes kumnandi ukuthi udinga imali. December nje. December. Yazucina uthengisa lama t-shirt abhala imali yesigweja.
That's a very good idea. Yes. Merchandise.
Already is doing it.
Merchandise.
Already is doing it.
Yeah, abadli imali yesigweja.
Abadli imali ngazo zonke indlela.
Abadli imali yesigweja.
But into engitsho yani. Shout out to Machita Kobulawa, especially in the arts industry, especially in the music industry. We are pushing guys. Njengabe siye kaya lisigidisile njengemali kaGweja lami zabe ngigida khona lekhezi kumbe Plum Trikondolwane. Ngiyalitshela ababengafune enye ingoma ababefunana khathesi phela omxolisa kulufaka 2 phezulu kwebhodlela angazi ukuthi yipheza abagidisa khathesi but hayi FabG mntaka mshana kagogo hayi usifakile emalini yesigweja 900 chazo ivideo ndoda hayi the ladies hayi uyabulala fa ubonile ini video ka 900
ngibonile mina I'm a biggest fan of 900 I would tell you this
so mele sithi singasasho ukuthi ngu900 sithi ngu9000 ngoba uyabulala
all right guys moving on 29 November there's the Hinde show and ngiyalitshela ama gents lapha ngifuna ukukhuluma lama gents ngiyalitshela ama gents ocherry benyu bonke babe khona ngale mina njengomuntu ophethe istore wena mawungekho mina ngiyabe ngenisa
alright
mina guys nditshelile just DM me ngile stock esharp bonke ogweja guys buyanini
I'm very proud to be his friend
bonke ogweja guys buyanini because ngiyalitshela gents ocherry benyu babe khona kuyinde show 29 November babe khona bonke babe khona it's been confirmed ama tickets sibathengele labo gweja bethu so just make sure uCherry wakho umbuzo ukuthi ungahappy mhla ka29 because akukho sharp
but ungambone lami don't worry mina ngilomfazi endlini so singayenzi lutho kodwa ungasoli so
ulomfazi endlini
so lami uzangenisa siyabe sikhona
guys kumnandi kuyabe kulate
ama cooler box afunakala
ama cooler box yathatha phakathi samba labo gweja mntwana yami sinatha ama VOSP ama cooler box thatha phakathi yiko ngisithi mina oCherry benyu ama tickets sesisecured so na mawulo Cherry ungamdinga mhla ka29 ungamboni ngicela ungifonele o just DM me ngutshengise ngiyabe ndishutela ama picture guys ama chance ngiyacela libe khona and before that uma uyabe khona ngeSaturday guys uyabe lapha eNexus so kuchipile guys
Yeah.
gas ngama $10 asambeni siyogcwala support even though so
mana phela mana ngeke ngibuze ngento ena le understand kuyabe kumnandi ki December but mina I always wonder personally this lapha ilokhu la lokhu this and that mina ngikhetha into engifuna ukuyikhuluma but why is it always ama artists eSouth Africa abuya ngapha eDecember ukuzolithathela imali yenu why kade sekungathi kuyabuya manayini lapha ezogcwalisa ligcwale but kubuye kubuye what why kanti lisenza njani
uyakuzwa ingoma zikamawu
ungangitshela ukuthi usukhophe uMawulo man9
that's what you are saying phela wena ukuthi why abantu bengagcwali kuma9 begcola kumawu exactly I'm making an example uyakuzwa ingoma zikamawu
uyakuzwa ingoma zikama9
900 wa remix ingoma ka Enzo
uMawulo uyichaza yilokhuzeni
u900 wa remix ingoma ka
asikhuluma ivalo uMawu abaningi anilabela ukwazi ukuthi lichazwa yipi ingoma kaMawu ka Resekeep le black
no uyabe
ngaphandle kwalali lale
uyabe chaza izane zakudala
u900 ukhiphile ezintsha lena lifuna ukuyagideza kudala is it fair
900
is it fair
900 okay not to say I'm the biggest fan of 900 I don't hate the guy but
no he was an example
no exactly I'm going to use
kumbe sikhulume ngosikhosana la ngo Black Diva
let's talk about all those artists
karo SF Swanga
shout out to SF guys shout out to SF
ama artists ethu bafethu
shout out to SF
nxa sesingasakhuluma ngabo umxolisi la ngandolwane mayengakhiphanga angazi ukuthi on the ground thina senzani
isimbi zezwane ziyagcwalisa isimbi zezwane maye ziyagcwalisa
yes
isimbi zezwane uyakuzibone ungafika eRed Cafe thwanga ePalace ziyabe zithe ungathiwa kule simbi zezwane ogweja babe egcwele lapha
I appreciate my friends bonke abahamba ePalace
shout out to Palace guys shout out to Palace
kodwa Palace nje
no ePalace Palace uyiswim yala
kungena
no ePalace awungeni wonke umuntu phese
ePalace kunatha le super nje
no ayisupile style achawula liyana
cream tata but yes yabona nani as long as you perform ePalace shout out to you kumnandi kuyagcwala abantu
kumnandi uClement Magwaza bafika lapha beperforma simbi zezwane ziyaperforma and so forth and then as I was saying
like limbone ePalace lingafaka comment section
uyafika la ePalace uyafika ePalace lizwele guys uyazifikela ePalace kumnandi konke
but kodwa nxa ungakazumbone so awungeke utsho lutho but hayi angitshongo lutho mina angiyalanga mvumanga kodwa ePalace kumnandi fethu ispace esiningi and December ukhangela ukuthi ke begcwele njani and plus futhi kuyabhadaliswa futhi ukungena
kuyabhadaliswa ePalace
but ngendlela phakathi ke begcwele kakhona
kuyabhadaliswa mali kubhadalela
I think ama $5 to $10 live ngiyafuna ugokumancube
ePalace
yes
ngiyakutshela
ngiyakutshela nti bakunika lama bucket lawana ensimbi lawana mawungena for ama beers phakathi
ePalace mina ngazwa kuthiwa kule slag so ungabhadalela kuyadlala islag guys come on
akula slag nje kulamaphulu mina ngeke ngingene ePalace live kodwa ziyakhipha ePalace
ngazwa kule slag mina ngangena kuyadlala islag ubhadalela kuyadlala islag
ndoda kumnandi
plus guys shout out to sisibama abamekhonene ePalace siyahaslisa bo sisibam liyahaslisa and pretty sure gweja bachiya something laphana
kulanda uDecember bra Khares wesi kule InDrive yabo ukumfaka kuInDrive shwi
ngemali yesigweja
vele
umthethe ePalace
ungamthathanga
ePalace
alright ufuna ukuthi kuyathi lwana oza kutshela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ufake i-strawberry lips lapha nama-brutam futhi kumbe kuthiwa ngama-bruta what
belinatha i-VOSP ebar ungazi ubuhlungu nge-istropez
alay heavily
ungazi ubuhlungu nge-$3 e-InDrive
hayi le ibuhlungu.
mina vele ungazibona usiyangena ePalace sengikwazi ukuthi ulanda isupha lapha
Ngiyakutshela bona bengakubona ePalace athi le bazayigijimisa live kodwa ngiyakutshela
no mina
amabhasi ePalace
mina ungambona siye ePalace umnikazi wangu khona kulento esikhulumayo ufuna ukurenovate ama rooms akhe la
but izakhiphe ePalace manje zakhiphe manje iproblem mina ngizola ukuthi kube kuminyeni yabona sesingane siphakathi kwe-baked beans yabona ngani plus kulabanye yabona ama perfume you know hayi yabona Baku mntana inzima mina personal vele angisoze ngafa ngangena eBaku angaze ngene eBaku
okwazi nami have story
okay uzumbuze ngeBaku
I've heard stories.
Awungichazele ngeBaku.
I've heard stories. I've never been there myself. I've heard stories. All right.
Wakwani ngeBaku?
I've heard stories.
Yeah, hey, tell me a story though.
And it's sad, guys. But why? But why, guys? But why? Because I mean, the ratio is standing at 1:7 as we speak right now. But why? I've had a friend in Kazana. Now she was telling me, you know, your boyfriend, and this and that. Only to discover that you have a boyfriend, your girlfriend somewhere else. Like I was super shocked. What's going on, guys? What's going on? So sometimes ocherisi abasola but they are scared to
but mana ngitshela
uthandana lo mfazi womuntu
mana ngitshela mina actually ngifuna ukubuza line elingene eBaku uyaboswela imali yokunatha utshwala awukwananga
kuma comment sections these guys will come guns blazing and mpume they will be on your case.
Hayi mina angichayi nje amfihla umphini phela nxa uzazi ukuthi wena uyakungena eBaku ufaka icomment khathesi not kusasa
no baningi siyabazi abanye sihlangana la betown sigada labo umchova and guys siyabuza why endlini bayakwazi
like why
endlini bayakwazi or
but like serious
endlini liyabhonga
yazini nduna there was this time engasithanda khona ukuya yabona lapha neBC ukuya lokhuza i-internet yabona nxa ona apps lano
the Twitter's internet cafe by the corner there
yabona mawucheckile lapha nani azingananzelela ukuthi no man lapha phela sengike ngabona uCherry 1 ngena kuphela amanduna wodwa phela
no but uCherry labo is their sport too trust me
no
labo bajola khona phya
I'm very disappointed.
No, but mina shout out to the owner wayenza ibrand yakhe yayazakala ukuthi yona ngiyani you know we have to accommodate LGB whatever
asla problem labo kodwa at least bale safe space sabo
yeah I mean
but kodwa nxa uyabe ngumngane wami ngibone khona ngalanti
akusela bungane siyaqhuma and mina mango wami guys ngiyakutshela next episode ye podcast ngiyakhuluma ngawe ngiyaqeda ngawe I'm telling you nxa ungane wami sichayisane khona piana yeah anyways even labangani bami guys nxa sihlangana eTown singahlangani phambi kweBaku one just make sure ukuthi
remember manje ngakutshela ngayo anti but angeke mention ibizwa uthi kwenilanga wayengene khophana uthi yena wayengela information I don't know how true is that ukuthi wayengakwazi like seriously uthi wangena wafika wathenga ama beers lapha uthethe ngama beers kwafuka omunye umember khophana wahlala waqasha ukuxoxe engani ukhuluma ngezinto zepolitics nyana embuza ukuthi yena what is he interested in umember lwana 2 minutes wabona sethenga ama bucket otshwala selokho emthengela ama bucket otshwala uthe semqedwa wamtshela ukuthi yena ulendle ekhilana ngabo
so abakhamba bekhuluma ngepolitics
imali ngangcole becove imali nga endlini yakho yabo uthi hathi hasiwe sila sechaya ama biscuit wabengena yabo uthe efika nje endlini yakho nani umember wazwakala sithi hayi asike si relax kancane umember keep ijoga shot ngene empedeni siyaphuma ngabo 5 past
oh shit umember basefuka umbhebha shit basefuka umbhebha
Real story or true.
Ah,
Kodwa wena
guys,
umembe
come
sikhipha
on.
ijokethi ethi asihamba bo 5 past nje. So lapha mvuka ukuthi ngiphumule kancane yabona cause mina ngiyagcina nokha. Ish.
Guys, come on, but no,
But
ichomi yakho yayikwazi because the signs were there.
No, hayi lena induna.
The signs
Induna
were
because
there.
vele ithi yamthembisa lokumshaya. But angazi ukuthi how far true is it. But
No,
hayi.
they.
But yabona nanti. Hayi eBhaku.
Hayi Bakupa. Anyways, guys, yazini mina ngine plug guys abafuna ukudate Cherry Benasti ngicela libe lizombona. Ngiyayazi ibhawa banathela kiyo.
How? Alright. Usukhuluma ngoCherry abafuna ukukhuluma ngodate abo Cherry Benasti. Ngicela ukubuza vele these days kusadethwa yini? Lisayenza into zokudate. And nxa lidate lebe lisiya nga. Uyozini nxa liyenze idate lebe lisiya kuyiphi indawo?
Abantu bayadate guys. Abantu bayadate.
Alright, awunjena nika yamona uthawu ukudate ukhamba ngapha lo Cherry wakho.
Mina makuthiwa ngiyakudate first things first ngiyahamba
Actually
kwaBulawayo.
ngasoCherry wakho ngasoCherry mazi like dating like.
No. We're getting to know each
Yes,
other. So ngiyathi yabona mabhebeza. Let's take our phones. We go on kwaBulawayo. We just check the restaurants that are there and then I don't know.
So
Azantsha kwazi ukuthi nxa uhambisa uCherry out uhambelana nendlela omkhangele ngayo le level la.
Yeah.
Kulo Cherry omhambise Cotton. Kulo Cherry omhambise Cotton.
Omunye amhambise ePalace.
Hayi ePalace no. Ungabona ukuhambisa ePalace. Ungabona ukuhambisa ePalace. Ungabona ukuhambisa ePalace no.
Yeah, but yabona kwaBulawayo guys. Yeah, you search ukuthi kwaBulawayo uyakunikeza izinto eziblind uzabona everywhere lapho kube kulokudla khona kumnandi indawo ezintswempe yabo la ukuthi kusasa ungabhayizi cause la kodwa nxa umjidi la ucheck phela ukhangele le budget yakho ukhangele lo muntu wakho ukuthi ukhamba le budget enjani
uyavumelana cause ayaza kulanto ebabhuwa nje ukuthi yazi ibhebheza liyakuza ethi so baby siyanga soqalisa ucabanga chicken in
yamkhamisa ko chicken in
siyalayina lapha siyaphi red box
azina angazi ukuthi these things are true or because mina ngendlela embale ngakhona anti it was a food outlet abakhuluma ngokuthi yiphi but ama rumors they are saying it's chicken in and imagine usuhambe ko chicken in kopha lisacha ama loving and thanding zomunye umuntu ahlachona it's very sad but
yeah lazantsha wona amajidelana
ina khona phi order yakho isiqhutshele yakade kungu 540 yakho kungu 541
yeah anjawona manje into zangikhona anjawona lazantsha wona ukuthi futhi nxa uhambisa umabhebeza out I've never seen someone propose to go chicken in
bakhona ndoda
bevume
hayi
uqapha mo chicken in
90% bayala because
chicken khangela chicken in kulo bakers nekhona lapha kulo cream in kulo pizza in la kulo chicken in la
lo muye ndoda member abuye chai trumpet ndoda imparampampampa
la chicken in guys
abone
cotton guys guys there's so many places in Bulawayo where you can eat
akhona there are so many places
very affordable and all that wanna just make sure guys ukuthi liyangena kwaBulawayo just check the bottom of your screen it's there just check there kumnandi konke guys siyalinika yonke into
kube kumnandi kunjalo anti but awukunjele nduna wena personally ibudget yakho nxa ukhipha uCherry usiyakudate imali
mina yami ndoda $3 uyabona ku 15 kulomunye umama lapha anothengisa
isitshwala let's be real bro let's say usuhambile kwaBulawayo lapha nowathola indawo enjani hayi kodwa uqinisile it depends ukuthi uyabuhamba lo Cherry
uhamba lobani uyabona
but
mina ngeke ngahamba lo Cherry wabe sithi kimi ufuna isitshwala I was like okay
there's nothing wrong
$50 ngale sharp mesinga usumasalana ulesilenhloko ngamthi
but mina lo ngamncane yabo
ngamthi inkukhu makhaya
but mina lo ngagcwala ngayo she's real
is she
she's real bro
she was playing a
ngoba ongeke uthatha uCherry umkhambise King's Crawl bro ethefi yakho nangala afike ebamba ifork ngo right
ndoda it's there I tell you, I went to this other restaurant in Hillside. It's called Roasted Bean. They serve Chinese cuisine and all that. Uchirona otama noodles. So ubisejalela wana ama-golf. Kuthiwa ngama-dollar lawana athengiswa phandle lawa. Adliwa ngefork. Then bamphathela lawana. Kuthiwa ngama-chow mein noodles. Those big ones. They were so nice. Bamthi ma-chopstick. But I spent the whole day laughing. I tell you. Wamthi ma chopsticks yazi use wacela ifork ngile ngamtshela
yabona endaweni zama-dating lezani please guys into mangingayazi awuyazi it's fine ayisicala
para kusocala ukufunda
ayisicala ukuzicelela isipunu esicelela isipunu uyidlele kahle nxa ubona ukuthi kuyahlupha kwesipunu lakho uyageza izandla uzidlele kahle asicala ungazami especially wena ngathi sorry bantu emvela kimi khona ngapha lo bhengola uvela lapha na duzana koma mkhwanazi sesukuthathe sawusa ngale usufuna ukuyenze ngani hayi come on
no but mina basoli at the same time they need to blend in.
Okay, yazi nanti khathesi kungcono nje there is internet, there is TikTok, there is what qala ufunda ukuthi into lezi zibanjwa njani.
Uyabuthengile yini data mphume ukhuluma internet lana.
Nje idatha limali $1 nje.
Dollar.
Uyathenga idatha $1 nje.
$1 ngele WhatsApp phela. Elingafoniyo. Elingayimpiwe.
Kana kuma 30 kumbethwa yini ama 30 cents kumbethwa yini khona okuye kumbe yawo ku 1 hour kumbe ngoko 1 day I don't know. But zama lawo try by all means ukuthi ufunde yabo ngoba ungazafika usiyangisisa ngale. Yafika usiyangisisa ku date ngale yabo.
Mina ngiyakutshela mina so ngiyamthengela idatha $1.
Yazi induna yama
because mina I know for
it depends ukuthi unganga.
I know for a fact I know guys I know for a fact and I know people who do not buy data.
Jake it depends ukuthi ichero yakho ngwanga. Amunye vele ngiyamthengela especially mawuphuma ephumula ngiyakuthengela $1 it's fine. Ngiyakwanisa leyo
yini ngephumula mdala yini ngephumula ndiyothi iphumula iphethwe tshera bontswembe
angiyalanga ayishongo
hambe smokehouse hambe ferry cafe iphumula yodwa
nduna yikho okay ngiyenze so nxa uchero ephumula kumbungwelo bhengola ngamagwegwe ngiyakwanisa ukuthengela idatha $1 it's fine
ele WhatsApp ele 7 days
ngaphi ngale yabona nami
Kilani is too far. Kilani is jump up inside
inside laba sebesifananela lelo bhengola fa le Bellevue kumbe wathi laba sokufanana nje eBenside yini simangalisa eBenside bonke phela alright asikhulume
wait uthi Benside fa lelo bhengola so you're telling me uthi lo bhengola lamabhowl ezindlini mabhowl
ngiyakutshela ikhona ibhowl
endlini kumbe niliyani community liyani yabise khona lapha ethelela ingadi zonke lezani
yabona kathesi mana ngitshele ngelo bhengola ilo bhengola isi upgrade ile ngabe sebeyibiza ngokuthi iLoben Park.
Shout out to Mpume guys and all the guys abaphumela obhengula ayalilwela umjo ayalilwela
obvious but hayi kodwa sesikhuluma
lo bhengula ile church yethu osengwayo.
Yes.
Okay, I'm not going to say anything about that guys but yeah
anyways yikho khona lokho kade siluchoyo guys yabona liyahamba kubulawa yanti lifike lisidingele indawo eziblind izindawo ezifresh elokuthi liyakwanisa ukuthi lizihlalela phansi yani lichawe gently breeze lizenzele idate yenu kamnandi kanjalo anjo phela
gentle breeze
yes baba
inatshe lo bhengula guys lingaroji lo bhengula eBenside akufanani guys eBenside kunezihlahla ez breathe out oxygen eswi kulama loan esikwanisa kulala phezukwawo and all that guys lingaroji and guys
talent member I understand yellow bone when uphuma empophoma
uphuma empophoma guys
empophoma lakho khophana duzane nemsitheli straight akula gently breeze
but silama loan phandle guys silama loan
linalela loan liloqethu baba there's a difference
but anyways but mina lawo siphume kasi
village I'm proud of being
we are proud of that and all that but let's not despise loan eBenside imnandi ndoda ilone bake beko host eBenside
ngane
yakuyifile ukuthi praise there even unathi Whitestone even notshwala mawubunathi
zwanini khuluma ngeWhitestone eBenside please
come on dude even unathi Whitestone eBenside test are different but mawunathele kasi yakusiza le mali enjengu uyawusiza ukuthi manje lenjengu le
abasizwa bafethe ekasi bafethu abasizwa bafethu hayi but ilife yekasi imnandi fethu uyakwanisa uyacela ama cooking oil ku next door khophana komakhelwane
ilife yekasi imnandi
womela khona ngale Benside uyabuya yenza
ilife yekasi imnandi and all that guys but isinyeyo sekasi is too much uqeda kuthatha amafutha unalawana Mpumi usingakaya fry kuthiwa uzocela amafutha ufika fried chicken njani uthenga amafutha usizocela chicken
kodwa ungacela amafutha use fried chicken njani
akwenzi
hayi ndoda
ikasi kumnandi but
wena ungacela amafutha njani use fried chicken umafutha ecelela umbhida bra la ungabona uzocela amafutha ushaka amna vela nguniki
uzaba kwazi
umnukelelo ndoda ikasi
ngiyabe semfrayile
ekasi izindlu zibambene
ngiyabe sengifrayile kuyabe sokumnandi
ekasi izindlu zibambene bra whether liyachayana kumbe linsana umakhelwane babelalele mawufrya whether namuhla udla idelele kuyabe nsiza ukuthi namhla ubuchaya idelele yabo so cheka ngeke ucela amafutha wena usiya fried chicken kufanele azilani che uthi uyecelisa ukugada nge5 wena uthola amaphepha ako chicken king like seriously
ukhohle
uphethe amaphepha ko chicken in uthi wena ushotela imali yokugada
ngiyakhohlakala ukuthi laphana ngithenga and then I realized ukuthi you know what imali yami yokugada isakwana you know and uwindi ngiyamazi phuma so plus uwindi hlala next door
lapho wena usukhuluma ukuthi mawuwazi uwindi mawuwazi uwindi bathi kodwa la
uyabomakhelana ongamaziyo
yazi mana ngitshele
umakhelana ucela umazi
that yazi ngikade phatha bra kulomunye umembo ocela ukugada nge5 ade thola i20 liters egcwele amasesi uyifile ngayo
no upiwe ungabona si 20 liters yamasesi uyipiwe
lani bafethu
probably i20 liters yankhona yemfeni
Hallo madoda lo ngaphika icala madodana alo ngaphika icala aphume court live
uyipiwe
you know I tag you
bra yazibona ichomlezane esihlabele emfeni shout out to those guys uchomla abana abahlabele emfeni guys bayahlabela but uchomla abana abahlabele emfeni abana they would do anything for amasese
personally nduna yabantu mina nxa kungathiwa ngingachovisa ngingumdriver wemchova or ngumconductor mina ngeke mvume ubulemo bunjani live so mina imali nale i5 naleyo ishortisi leyo lama ngifuna ukuyikwanisela ukuthi ngedakwa
uzwana ukhangela into eyenzakalayo uchomlana uthola 20 liters yamasese uthi le 5 rand uthi uyemfeni
hayi akathonga
alright mina sengimkhulumela uthi uyemfeni uthi wasoze umgadise wena
emfeni bamphili ujeke
kuyachama wasoze umgadise
hayi umgadise
umuntu ngumuntu ngabantu
ngiyavuma kodwa mana ngutshele emfeni lapho mana ngutshele
bafuna uyakhala bekhala kuhle lamasese
mana ngutshele ungayenza ngani abantu bemfeni abakwananga emfeni bakunika imali ekwanileyo nxa bekuthuma ukuthi hambe enza into enje kuyachaya amabhuku
maybe kunzima la ngalonelela amabhuku akachawa wona maybe amabhuku akachawa wona
kodwa alright siyaxolisa abafethu line licela ukuthi ukugada ama5 asicala
yolayo mdala yola sizalikhulumela uZup kaphenduka
lapha phela ngo this and that has kids
sizalikhulumela uZup kaphenduka ama5 lalo wasebenza
but seriously guys angeke ucele nje ukugada nge5 wena uthela ibox le pizza like really
it's okay karona uchero wakho musanga
mina
anti unthola umfazi umama namhla uthi okay you know waniphume namhla ngifuna upheka endlini kanti
mina next week lo mama siye Blue Hills sifuna uyaspend 2 nights kuphela.
Okay, shout out my guy. Shout out to Mpumi guys. We're Blue Hills.
Yes.
We spend the 2 nights.
Yes. And vele awama mama ngabutobelele mfethu. Butobelele kuhle wena lokho ukuthi njani izichala zamadola ngale
izichala zamadola bra. I'm costing.
Kanti vele amadola tiza vele la.
No, amadola tiza iswini.
Jo siphume sent lokuthi wayesensenzana. Amadola tiza yosamri wena.
mina makuthiwa ngijunile mdala umama simhambise out you know mina ngina mali so ngiyabe ngikhangela isikhwama sami ngabona ukuthi
ya kunjalo
plus yabona mina ngabile mamas original engathi di mamas you know because umuntu ngizathatha ngihambise Blue Hills yabo ube sebuya ugweja bese sithi asambe nga eCape Town kuja senthathela ibaby. So at least ngiyabe ngikhostile ngathi bengathenga isitshwala nyampompa abantu wadla ikuku yamakhaya.
So it is la talent nje hathi nayo che abo mama leze che
no mina mama mina ngitshela that's why ngitshela ukuthi mina oCherry seba accept ukuthi mina checking mina njani ngipimp. I make friends with them and then I sell them to the highest bidder. Ikontia ma Jenslina, malifuno Cherry Benast, DM Junza TV, siyalisota guys. Siyalisota guys.
My babo, I'm out of saliva semphelelwe ngamathe.
Out of saliva. Yeah. Yonke into
Hayi
guys.
but hayi ngiyamuzwa talent bafethu. Hayi mina angila hook up and kodwa la ngiyabafuna benast.
Yo, ukulalela umama mthatha.
Hayi mama ngixolela lapha ngisemsebenzini. Ngiyabafuna laba benast.
Ufuna uCherry Benast.
Yes.
Okay.
Les ngeke ngizwe ukuthi wena yini nale oyithi abacherry banasti ba blind ngayo.
No, Cherry Benast. No, not Cherry Benast per se.
Abepholi ke.
Cherry beblawayo.
Oh, hayi kubulawa siphethe.
No,
Kubulawa siphethe.
But
that's why you guys from H-Town are coming beside.
Kubulawa liphathanga shit. I'll tell you that for sure. Kubulawa liphathanga shit.
Kubulawa kulabafazi bonke bra.
Exactly. But asoba kubulawayo.
Uzama ukuthini ka?
We have 5 universities in Bulawayo. How many people come in Bulawayo?
Wona lapho khuluma abacherry bama universities.
No, cause yibo
Bulawayo as a whole ba.
yibo cherry abachisa
Bulawayo vele abacherry aba blind abadlula apha koBulawayo. Bulawayo phela cheki angazi ukuthi ngayicompare lani but angeke ngicompare but Bulawayo cheki kontuzo abantwana cheki libahle bomama bako Bulawayo. Angazi ukuthi lo uvelaphi kodwa koBulawayo.
No koBulawayo bakhona but ayisibo bonke. Asibo I beg to differ.
Wena usolani?
Angisoli. Engusolayo ukuthi wena uthi ocherry bako or ocherry abako maybe nami nisindebele sami sesingaphumile.
All right mana ngithi bonke ababi labahle lonke libahle.
Labe palace.
Yes, anje sepalace kuyafika bra. Vela khona palace. Palace kuyafika bra.
Regular ngizokuthola iroom phezulu ngathi.
Eish. Kanti ngikhulumeleni vele ngepalace.
Thola iroom epalace ngale.
But shout out to Palace vele nje. iPalace is strong bra. Uthola abantu benje so lamabhiya uzothole sokuthiwa amabhiya aphelile. Ngeke ngiye nathi ibhiya $2 mina ngale kule dollar ebhiya $50. Hayibu. Ngiuchivayo yini mina?
Ipalace ibawe ekase setown
Eish. But akufani la komalabo. There's a difference.
Okay.
Well, there's a difference.
Well then. Yeah, and guys, siyacela just check out kwaBulawayo. Ipalace ikhona kwaBulawayo if you I'm joking guys, but check kwaBulawayo. There is everywhere where you can go and eat, every corner guys, from south to north, from east to west guys. Every restaurant is there. Usampita, uchikumira, konke kukhona guys. Abafuna inyama yosiweyo konke kukhona. Abafuna Chinese cuisine, whatever it is, there is try shy.
Hayi ndoda mina vele ngakhuluma ngokudla kwesikhiwa. Mina even lesikhiwa ngisithanda phela ngisikhuluma iMountain kuphela. So andabona ukuthi namhla kabani. So yikho ngizwa ngifaka lesikhiwa. So mawusungitshela ngabantu lobster lapha la ngamani lani lezi hayi.
Wena hambisa umama ayokudla ama lobster tail
hayi sure ndo nami ngizamhambisa umama but anyways Junza Studios siyabonga guys this and that Chopper's podcast whether uzondile whether unjani asincenga ngasilandaba
whether sikhulumile whether sikhuluma next week singawe
singawe
guys shout out
next time